In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage devices on your Google account to protect your privacy. This process will help you keep track of every device that's logged into your Google account and ensure your personal information stays safe. So let's jump right in and begin this 5-minute tutorial. First, we start with making sure we're on the main page of Google. Open up any web browser and navigate to Google's homepage. It's a good idea to have everything in one place, so make sure you're on a computer where you can easily manage tabs. Once you're there, look up at the top right corner of your screen and you'll see the sign in button. Click on it to move forward. The sign in option will prompt you to enter your account credentials. This is just like logging in on any other site, but it's important because it connects you to the multitude of Google services you use, all secured under one account. Time to retrieve your email and password and log in. If you've enabled two-factor authentication for added security, make sure you have access to your secondary verification method, like your phone. Once logged in, you're now on your Google account's homepage. Here, you'll find a plethora of settings and information about your account. Next, we're going to focus on the security aspect. Security is key when it comes to managing devices because it allows you to see where your account is being accessed. So on the left hand side, you'll find the tab labeled Security. Go ahead and click on that. This area is crucial as it displays various security related features and settings. It's always a good idea to familiarize yourself with these security features as they can come in handy to keep your account and data protected. Once you are in the security section, scroll a little until you find the Your Devices option. Click it and this will lead you to a comprehensive list of all devices connected to your Google account. This list includes smartphones, tablets, laptops, or any other devices where your account is actively being used. This is a crucial step because it allows you to verify what's logged in and spot any anomalies or unknown devices. If you notice a device on this list that you do not recognize, or perhaps a device you no longer use, you have an option to sign out from it. This action prevents that particular device from having further access to your Google account. To maximize your account security, make it a habit to regularly check this list and ensure only trusted devices are connected. And that's it. By following these steps, you're actively managing which devices have access to your Google account, thus protecting your personal information and privacy. It's a straightforward process, but one that can greatly impact how secure you feel when using your Google services. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more beneficial tips and guides.